Good morning, students. We are continuing the next paragraph from the same unit, Unit 3. Now, first paragraph in the beginning, as we know, Dr. Robinson and the other professor has researched about it, and the brand which changed 30 the advertisement of 30 seconds has changed the mind about the brand. So later on they did the experiment on others also. Now the next children means the next age group of children. In one study, Dr. Robinson looked at the efforts of branding by giving 3 to 5 years olds two portions of identical foods. Means the age group was 3 to 5 years old and two portions of identical foods. Means which the food products which for which they are already aware of, that is known as identical. One set out on McDonald wrappers, so it was McDonald food. The brand was McDonald. The children were asked to point out which foods tasted better. So they were about to compare. Dr. Robinson said, no matter what food we laid out on the wrapper, overwhelmingly for hamburgers, French fries, baby carrots, milk or juice in a cup. Kids would point out the one on the McDonald's wrapper as tasting better. So they got all these other products, but they chose McDonald. They liked McDonald. Their French fries, their burgers, kind of food. So of course, the tasty food they prefer over carrots and milk juice. The next was up to the age of 7 or 8. Researchers say children can't understand the nature of advertising. Now the next age group is 7 to 8 years old. These children cannot make out what is the advertisement about. They can't identify that the advertisement is trying to persuade them. Now what do you mean by persuade? Now persuade means किसी को बात कुछ अच्छे रीज़न दे के मनाना, बहलाना, फुसलाना, kind of like our elders used to tell the children, the one who give you chocolate, don't take chocolate from unknown person. So kind of persuade meaning बहला समझा के कुछ अच्छे good reasons दे के मनाना, आपको convince करना, but कैसे? Good reasons दे के, like if you will eat, if you will do this. So it is saying that they can't identify that the advertisement is trying to persuade them. What can parents do? Now the main important role of the parents about advertisement. Children are not going to completely give up TV और internet. कोई भी ना TV छोड़ सकता ना internet completely नहीं छोड़ सकता. With young children, the most important strategy is probably to cut down on screen time. अब जो थोड़े बड़े चिल्ड्रन हुए हैं, जिनको पता है, जो समझ सकते हैं, जो कहना उनको रीज़न्स वैलिड रीज़न्स दोगे समझेंगे, तो उनको स्क्रीन टाइम कम करना है, यानी टीवी देखने का टाइम थोड़ा कम कर देना है ना, लिमिटेड टाइम. एंड द नंबर ऑफ मैसेजेस दैट चिल्ड्रन टेक इन एंड टू कीप अप विद व्हाट दे आर सीइंग when they do watch TV और use इंटरनेट. और जो मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं, टीवी देख रहे हैं, इंटरनेट यूज़ कर रहे हैं, मोबाइल यूज़ कर रहे हैं, या जो भी उन्हें कुछ सिखाया जा रहा है, दे हैव टू बी विद लिमिटेड नंबर एंड दे हैव टू शेयर विद देयर पेरेंट्स. एंड पेरेंट्स शुड कीप देयर आइज ऑन चिल्ड्रन अबाउट द सेम. But according to Dr. Robinson, when a child asks for something, when a child asks parents Parents should not simply turn them down. They don't have to say no directly to the children. Parents have to make them understand, give the valid reason why are not in the beginning they are denying, they are refusing to get bring buy them. But they should give the valid reason. They should help the child to recognize that they are being persuaded. Means parents should make awareness among children that they are just convincing you with the good reasons. They are not up to your level, they are not suit for you. Dr. Robinson suggests that parents respond, well, why do you want that? They should get the answers from the children. Why do you want? Where did you hear about it? कहाँ से सुना? क्यों चाहिए? Why did they put out that message? क्यों उन्होंने वो मैसेज दिया? Do you think they want you to buy it? क्या उन्होंने मैसेज, why they have given such message? Whether they want you to buy the products और क्यों? Why they want to sell you? Why would they want that? If they are selling, if they are giving, why do they want? Talk to your children about why people sell things. आप अपने फ्रेंड से, अपने एल्डर से पूछो क्यों ये सारे प्रोडक्ट्स दे आर गोइंग टू सेल. Help your children understand that sellers want to sell things, but buyers have to decide if they want to buy. अब बेचने वाला तो बेचता है, फिर जिसको बायर्स जो ख़रीदता है उससे पहले डिसाइड करना होता है, उससे पहले सोच समझ के करना होता है क्या मैं ये चीज़ लेनी चाहिए कि नहीं. अगर रिक्वायरमेंट है तो कितनी रिक्वायरमेंट है, क्यों. अगर ली भी है तो वी हैव टू शेयर विथ अदर्स एज वेल. So it is sharing and caring also once you buy them. In our information rich world, we need to know the messages children are receiving and help them understand what the world is trying to sell them. Children को aware करना है कि what they are going to sell. See, parents are the right person to guide you. So you need to ask them whether they are good for children or not. So as I said in the last video that you have to write a few lines on the advertisement which you like the most, and do you find it that is it good enough or is it right to buy the product of that advertisement? If yes, then why? If no, then why? Try to solve and then we'll do the exercises from the text. Until tune it to the next video and have a great day ahead.